Okay, this is Kamlega Jonathan once again, and today I want us to look at the simultaneous equation number. Now we shall be using what we call elimination method. The question is saying 3x plus 2y is equals to 12, and then 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. These are the two equations. They want us to solve them simultaneously. A solution. Okay, when you're solving such a question, let me try to write down the equations. We have 3x plus 2y is equals to 12, and then we have 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. When you're applying the concept of elimination, you look at the two equations and look at the easiest way to eliminate one unknown to remain with the other, and then we solve it out. Now in this case, we are going to eliminate 2y because 2y is the same by subtraction. If I try to subtract in this case, 3x minus 2x, I will have x, and then plus 2y minus y to be 0 is equals to 12x minus 10 to give us 2. That implies that our x is equals to 2. Now, something to note, when you're eliminating, we eliminate numbers of the same unknown. We eliminate x and x, y and y. We can't eliminate x and y. It has to be numbers with the same unknown. Those are the numbers which we can eliminate. Now in this case, when we eliminate 2y by subtraction, because they are the same, then we end up having our x as positive 2. That implies that if I have my x as negative 2, that as positive 2, that implies that I can get my value of y. I will come in one of the expression. I will say, let me say if I say from equation 2, that means that I'll have 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. But my x is 2, but I've got my x as a 2. I'll substitute where there is x, I'll put a 2 to be 2 times 2 now, plus 2y is equals to 10 to give us a 4, plus 2y is equals to a 10. Therefore here I have 2y is equals to, this is a positive, comes this side, becomes a negative, be 10 minus 4. That will give us 2y is equals to a 6. 2y is equal to 6. I divide by 2. Therefore my y to be the same as 3. Now in this case, my y will be the same as 3. In this case, I'll have my y as 2 and my x as 3. I'll conclude by saying my value of y is equals to a 3 and my value of x is equals to a 2. By doing that, I've solved my expression and I was able to get the value of x and y by applying the concept of elimination.